If R is a relation on the set Z of integers and it is given by x comma y belongs to R, if and only if x minus mod of x minus y less than or equals to 1. So relation R is equal to x comma y such that mod of x minus y is less than or equals to 1, where x comma y belongs to integers. So this is given relation. We need to verify whether it is a reflexive, transitive and symmetric. So for reflexive, for every x belongs to Z integer, so we can say mod of x minus x is always equal to 0, which is less than or equals to 1. So which implies that x is related to x, that is x comma x belongs to relation R, and hence it is a reflexive. So we can say this relation is a reflexive. And coming to the next symmetric, if suppose if x is related to y, that is x comma y belongs to R, implies mod of x minus y is less than or equals to 1, which also implies that mod of y minus x is also less than or equals to 1. So which implies that y comma x belongs to R, and hence we can say this relation is symmetric. And coming to the next transitive, suppose if x comma y belongs to R and y comma z belongs to R, then x comma z must belongs to R. So let me take this as an example in the transitive case. Suppose if 1 comma 2 belongs to R, so which implies that mod of 1 minus 2 is equal to mod of minus 1, that is 1, which is less than or equals to 1, which satisfies. And also 2 comma 1 belongs to R, 2 comma 3 let me take, 2 comma 3 belongs to R, that is mod of 2 minus 3, which is equal to mod of minus 1 is equal to mod 1, which is less than or equals to 1, which is also satisfying. Then to make sure that it is a transitive, so your x comma z must belongs to R. And x comma z means here 1 and 3. So if I can take 1 comma 3 ordered pair, 1 comma 3, so mod of 1 minus 3, which is equal to mod of minus 2, which is equal to 2, is not less than or equals to 1. So which implies that 1 comma 3 does not belongs to R, and hence we can say this is not transitive, and hence we can confirm that it is only reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. So option B is